Have you ever listened to your wife, but she still says, "You're not hearing me"? You're not alone. Most men think they're listening. What they're actually doing is waiting to respond, fix, or defend. Elite husbands, they listen in a way that makes their woman feel safe, heard, and seen. Let me show you the skill most men never learn, but absolutely need to. My fiance is a high-performing business owner, and one of the most respected things about him isn't just how he shows up for clients, it's how he shows up for me. He used to think listening meant being quiet, but real listening, it's intentional, it's focused, it's leadership. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 3-part listening skill that elite husbands master so their wives trust them deeper and their businesses grows faster because of it. Grab the free marriage ROI toolkit if you want all 5 tools to strengthen your relationship and sharpen your leadership. Listen to understand, not to fix. Most men hear a problem and jump into solution mode. It's in your DNA. But your wife doesn't want solutions, not at first. She wants to know she feels safe to express without being handled. Let her finish. Don't interrupt. That's a big one. Don't dismiss her emotion with logic. Say something like this instead. "That sounds like a lot. How did that make you feel?" It signals that you care about her experience, not just the outcome. Number 2, listen with your eyes. Presence, it's super powerful. We've all done this. If you're half looking at your phone, TV, or email, she can feel it. And it kills the moment entirely. Elite husbands make eye contact. They lean in. They reflect back what they heard. This one shift makes her feel chosen again. And when she feels chosen, she naturally chooses to support you. Do you want her support without having to beg for it? Download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. This free resource gives you 5 tools to build more connection, respect, and support at home so you can lead even stronger in your business. Ask emotionally intelligent questions. You don't need to be a therapist, please, but you do need to be emotionally present. Try asking, "What's been on your heart lately? Is there anything you wish I understood better?" These questions are truly a game changer. "How can I support you this week?" These questions invite her into partnership. They build emotional intimacy without pressure. And when she feels emotionally safe, she opens up, respects you, and brings her full self to the relationship. Isn't that what you want? So if you want a marriage where your wife looks at you with admiration, where she trusts you, supports you, and feels safe with you, it starts by listening like a leader, and you know exactly how to do that. Book a free call below if you want, and if you're ready for a personalized plan to grow your leadership, to grow your relationship without sacrificing your business goals. Because elite men don't just listen to win the argument, they listen to win her heart over and over again. Book a free call now. I'll see you on the other side.